Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get started with monday.com on your PC. So at first go to Google and search for monday.com, and once it loads just click on get started over here, and then for now I'm just going to sign up with my Google, and then here it's going to ask you your full name. So just write in your full name and then your account name, whatever service you're looking for. Suppose mine is How to Tech, and then click on I agree to terms, and then go to continue, and then put your reason. I'm just going to put on personal, then continue, and then what you'd like to manage. And there's more options if you don't find yours, and you can also put other. For now I'm just going to put design and creative, and then let's just say here I need creative planning, content calendar, whatever you want to choose. I'm just going to do this and then continue. And then if you need help with anything you can select it over here. Just go over all of these. I'm just going to say managing my tasks, continue, and then it's going to ask where did you hear about it. Well, right now you heard it on YouTube, so you could just say YouTube from here, and then just go to continue, and this is going to take some time to load depending on your internet connection. And there you go, you can do whatever you want over here, and this is your monday.com officially started. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.